Grabe, ang mamahal ng mga bilihin ngayon. 100 dirhams lang ang budget ko.
Grabe! Anong nakita ko? Dito sa Greenland Hypermarket sa 100 dirhams mo, pwede ka nang manalo ng kanilang raffle draw.
At syempre guys, located lang to dito sa Islamic Information Center sa Albada, Satwa, Dubai.
There's a raffle draw.
Yes po!
I have 100 dirhams.
Go! Shop and win! Yala kuya, good luck! Happy shopping! Galaxy Caramel Drinks, 0.99 fils. Lacnor Milk, 2.99 per piece. This Mamacitas, 8.99. ABC Noodles, 2.99. India Gate Basmati Rice, 5 kilograms, 20.99. 1 liter quality ice cream, 5.99. Egg and cheese, 4.99. Farmer's chicken drumsticks, 7.99. Esco salad shrimps, 5.99. Greenland detergent powder, 2 kg, 5.99. Tide detergent powder, 5 kg, 29.99. Chlornix bleach, 2 liter, 2.99. Lux bar soap, 6 pieces, 9.99. Crystal hair conditioner, 280 ml, 9.99. Puputi tayo dito, Brilliant Kojic soap, 3.99. Nivea moisturizing cream, 6.99. Anchor toothpaste with brush, 3 pieces, 4.99. Fog roll-on, 4.99. Clearmin shampoo, 350 ml, 6.99. All-Rim tissue, 5 plus 1, 6.99. Diva detergent liquid, 2 liter, 4.99. At halos lahat ng kailangan nyo ay nandito na sa Greenland Hypermarket. Ang mumura at best talaga. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? So good na! After your billing, get your coupon and fill it up. Keep this with you and drop this. Good luck! Guys, kung gusto niyo din manalo, so good na dito sa Greenland Hypermarket.